This is an Australian rifle bird, living in the canopy of a rainforest in northeastern Australia, imploring a female to observe and hopefully to be overwhelmed by his awesome mating dance. Unless this goes exactly right, the male's going to be shut out in the mating derby. And, well, things don't go just right. The female seems distracted instead of enthralled. Undaunted, well, maybe slightly daunted, the male goes into his mating dance once again. And once again, the female just can't get with it. What the heck is the problem here? Oh, great. Like the male needs this. A couple of apprentice male rifle birds are practicing the mating dance right nearby, and not doing such a great job. This is like a guy trying to woo his girlfriend with his two younger brothers playing heavy metal guitar in the next room. Okay, now here's another contender. He calls, and a nearby female, building her nest, decides she's going to check him out. The male takes his best shot. Looking pretty good, but, well, like a desperate loser in a singles bar, he flops hugely. She shoots him down in mid-performance before he can close the deal. Okay, now can we watch the Love Master in action? This male is about to put on a clinic in seducing females. If you're a rifle bird, it's all about commitment. You've got to commit to your mating dance. You've got to make it big, bold, and quite literally in her face. The Love Master gets it done. Success. And afterwards, well, I mean, come on, guys. If you were the Love Master, would you be modest? Wouldn't you strike a pose that said, "I am irresistible, a feathered deity, worship me"?